So one task it is for you. Write a program, enter three subject marks of student. Check the student scores more than 75 on each subject and average is greater than 80, then the selection letter is sent, or else rejection letter will send. Okay, so write a program, enter three subject mark of student and check the student score more than 75 in each subject and average is greater than 80, then selection letter is sent or a rejection letter will send. ପୂର୍ବ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକ କେହି କରିନ, ମାନେ ଜଣେ ଦି ଜଣ ଖାଲି କରିକି ମତେ ଦେଇଛ. So I want that every people will complete and give me. ତ କାଲି before the classes ଏଇଟା ମତେ କରିକି ଦେଖେଇବ.
Yes, sir.
Then next program, write a program to count the number of, not count, so count the number of even and odd numbers from tuple like 11, 13, 18, 7, 19. Okay, so write a program to count the number of even and odd number between this tuple. The second question. The next I go for the another concept that is called as elif concept. So here else if not in use. Here we are using elif. Okay, so nested condition. Nested condition is what? Now in a if condition, you have to pass another condition. If expression 1, if your expression 1 is true, then statement is execute. Then যদি এই কন্ডিশনটা ট্রু হলো দেন এগেন আমি ইফ কন্ডিশন যাব যদি পুনি then else statement, then elif, just a minute. देखो if expression 1 মানে এটা মোর কন্ডিশনটা যদি মোর ট্রু হলো দেন এটি স্টেটমেন্টটা এক্সিকিউট হবে দেন মোর কন্ডিশন পুনি ট্রু হলে পুনি এক্সপ্রেশন 2 দেন যদি কন্ডিশন ফলস হলা এলস স্টেটমেন্ট এক্সিকিউট হবে ଆଉ ଯଦି ମୋର କଣ୍ଡିସନଟା ପୁରା ଫଲ୍ସ ହେଉଛି ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଫଲ୍ସ ହେଲା ଏଇଟା ଫଲ୍ସ ହେଲା ଏଲିଫ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଆସିବ ତ ଏଲିଫ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ ଫର୍ ଗିଭିଂ ଏ ଅଲ୍ଟରନେଟ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ତ normally in the other programming language we are using else if, then here we are using elif condition. The elif is used to do like what you can say, um, it gives you the alternate solution for this condition. Bujela? I will show the
Yes, sir.
program, then we will understand. So this is a program to check, is a elif program. The int enter a number. If number is greater than 0, then it is showing you positive number. Enter a number. Suppose if you pass here 42, then it is showing you positive number. Then if you pass, enter a second number. Suppose if I pass here 0, then see that it is showing you it is a, if number is 0, just a minute. And if I pass here, sorry, it is hang. Okay. Okay, if I pass here 0, then it is showing you it is a 0. If I run again, it is asking you enter a value. Suppose if I pass here -9, then it is showing you negative number. Clear? Bujala? Joyশ্রী?
Yes, sir.
Adhyasa?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the next class, I will go for the other example of this nested condition. Then after that, I will move to the for loop or looping concept. So there is a different kind of looping concept is there. So after that, I will give you some kind of assignment. So before that, be ensure what are the earlier assignment I have given, and these two assignment also you have to submit me. You have the marks on it after the online exam. Okay, so it is a combination of the 2 marks. Your tax that you are your involvement, the tax I have given, as well as your what exam. Okay, so be ensure that complete it, and you have to send me by tomorrow. So tomorrow class timing is 6 p.m. Are you going to the class tomorrow? Kali class जाऊँ तुम्हारा अच्छी class करी?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow also I will take through online at 6 p.m. Okay, so after the March, from March 1, I will take online physically 3 days classes and 3 day online. So I will schedule it as per my communication. Okay, so good night to all, and ensure that you have to send all your practical assignment. If you have any kind of doubts, or any kind of things that you are not understand, you are directly call me. I will give you make you understand on that particular part. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Welcome to all. Good night.